Welcome back. What we're going to do now that we have set up our school is we're going to enter the school. And what we're going to do first is we're going to come to the left side menu and we're going to work on our school site. So we're going to click this link. You have 4 areas of customization for your school. You can add in a site logo, a homepage background, and a favicon that will appear in the tab for individuals' browsers. You can also control the opacity of the homepage background. In terms of the site logo, what you're going to notice is that recommended format is going to be 250 by 60 pixels, and you can upload a JPEG or a PNG file. So that means then if you have an existing image, what you can do is you can take your native image editor and you can edit down the size. We're going to use the native Microsoft program. We're going to click resize, and what we're going to do is we're going to size it based on the dimensions that were given to us by Teachable. We're going to turn off the aspect ratio, and we're going to size down the image. We're going to click OK. We're then going to save this as our new image. What we're now going to do is to upload that image to the site logo area. Our upload will then be complete. You can then upload your homepage background. The recommended format is now going to be 440 pixels by 780 pixels. And one option is going to be that you can click Upload Image, and you can use an existing image already inside of Teachable. And we're going to select this image and click Select One File. We're then going to click Upload. Our upload will then be complete, and we then have a homepage background. And we're going to do the same thing for the favicon. Once we've done that, we can then click Save. What we can then do is click Preview to look at our changes. And you can then preview your dashboard. What you can now do is customize other aspects. You can change the font for your school and your courses, and you can add in custom colors if you have something that you're trying to match inside of your logo. Once you've done that, you can then click Save. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.